Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today we got a 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to mount my camera. 2018 soft top convertible. Not convertible, but soft top. I mean, technically it is convertible. You can fold the top back. Let's try to take a look in here. You can tell it was dog owner. But you know, it's a real nice setup. Check the windows real quick. I think the windows are locked, so let's go back to the front. Unlock these windows. Let y'all get a look of the back of the vehicle. This is used, of course. It's a 2018. I'll let y'all know shortly how many miles. Just gonna check and see if all the spare stuff is here. Yep, spare tools are there. So you got the cover. It's real nice. You see it from both sides. Just gotta check and see if the windows are locked. Okay, so the windows were locked. Right here. There's a switch for the window right here. So I just unlocked the windows. Now we can really check. Control is here. It don't seem like the rear controls are working at all. Is this something that I'm doing wrong? So it don't seem like the switch is working. Let me make sure I'm not tripping. Yeah, it don't seem like. So it looks like the lock switch for the window is not working. Yeah, it's not working. It works from the master switch, but it's not working from back here. So that's something that I'm gonna write in my report. Window lock. The switch for the window lock is not working. Take a look. Just giving y'all the walk around. I mean, I like it. I'm a fan of purple, so I don't mind. I mean, I have a purple motorcycle, for Christ's sakes. Purple and green, Joker vibes. I'll make a video on that one day when I go on a bike ride. I'll take y'all out on a bike ride with me so y'all can see my bike. On a little daily cruise. Catch me cruise around the city. I have a Ninja ZX10 R. He's saying it's not a wind noise. It's a different kind of noise. That's what he told Brad. It's not a wind noise. It's something else. This has the 3.6 liter. But yeah, 3.6 liter you can either get using a 2.0. I like Jeeps to a certain extent. I like them when they're set up, you know, lifted and all of that. Only thing I don't like is the noise. I mean, when you put those big off-road tires on these cars, they look good, but they just ride horribly. The noise is horrible. You get a lot of shaking in the steering wheel. It's just, to me, it's just not a comfortable ride. But, you know, to each his own. I'm just making sure that I'm properly looking over the vehicle. don't want to show y'all anybody's information. Check the seats, make sure they move. Glove, good. I mean, they did a nice job with the dash. Like I said, I like the purple trimming. It's really not a bad taste. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit in here so y'all can get a view of the dash. Like I said, this is a 2018, so pretty sure you already know what you're getting. I mean, it's not like it's a 24 where it's something new to expect, but it's real nice. As far as in with the little purple trimmings, I mean, you know, these are add-ons. I like that too. Duck Duck Jeep. That's pretty cool. Could have been installed better, but it's still pretty cool. Already, I know it needs tires, so it doesn't even really matter as far as in me checking the measurements. I'm still gonna check the measurements though, but I'm still gonna replace all 4 of them, set them up for an alignment and a balance. Just realized I didn't get to show y'all the motor on this. Go ahead and show y'all the motor. These normally come in 2 different kinds. They come in a 2.0, or it comes a 2.0 turbo, or it comes in a 3.0 liter V6. And this right here we have is our 3.6 liter V6. If I get a look at that. The other option is the 2.0 turbo. Just going ahead and let y'all get a look at the motor, the engine bay, see what it looks like. They didn't really go crazy on the designs in there, but they went crazy on everything else. I mean, like I said, I like it as far as the way it looks. Like I said, I'm not a fan of Jeep, but when you spend some money on these vehicles, they tend to look pretty nice. You can really give it a personality that fits you if you're, you know, a person who like Jeep Wranglers. But that's all, y'all. I'm about to take it on a test drive, see how she drives, and go ahead and do my report. And that'll be all. Have a good one, y'all.